So this is Alonson Mormon and Rachel Mormon, the matriarch and patriarch of the Mormon family. As I said, they moved here with 6 of their 10 children. The other 4 were adults at that point. And they also moved here with 23 enslaved people as well. Now, Kentucky is an unusual state in that the Emancipation Proclamation did not apply to the enslaved people here in Kentucky. That is because it only applied to enslaved people in Confederate territories, and Kentucky was a neutral state. Now, the enslaved people here at Riverside had to wait until the passage of the 13th Amendment in order to receive their freedom. But interestingly, that particular amendment was not ratified by Kentucky until 1976. Now, up in the 1880s, which is where we are now in our time machine, one of the differences that you'll notice from downstairs to upstairs is that upstairs you have these grates over the fireplace. And that is because in the 1830s and 1840s, the primary means of heating was wood. But here in the 1880s, the primary means of heating was coal. And coal burns at a much hotter temperature than wood does. So these grates were put across the fireplace in order to protect the brick. Now there's one more thing I'd like to say about this room, is that I always think that they did a beautiful job choosing the color of this room. And that is because in the 1840s, there was a British chemist who was experimenting and invented a new kind of aniline dye that was very resistant to fading. And it happened to be this mauve color. And the color quickly gained in popularity because of that and kind of became the it color of the 1880s and 1890s. I sort of liken it to avocado green in the 1960s. So when they chose this color, they did a great job.